Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your credit score using the Discover mobile app. This is a quick and easy way to stay on top of your credit health, and the best part, it's completely free for Discover cardholders. Step 1. Open the Discover mobile app. First, grab your smartphone or tablet and launch the Discover app. Step 2. Log into your account. If you're not already signed in, enter your username and password to log in securely. Step 3. Navigate to the credit score section. Once you're inside the app, look for a section labeled Credit Score, Account Summary, or something similar. This is usually available right on the main dashboard, or you can find it in the menu. Step 4. View your FICO score tab on the credit score section. Here, you'll see your current FICO score displayed, along with helpful information like the date it was last updated and factors that may be affecting your score. Discover provides your FICO score, the score most lenders actually use when reviewing credit applications. It's updated regularly, and checking it here won't affect your credit in any way. That's it. Quick, simple, and super useful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more finance and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.